So here we are in the local supermarket in Rivervale, and what you immediately see is a variety of fruits. Isn't it wonderful? Those are dragon fruits. They're like from cacti, you know, and then you get all these things. And you know, the dragon fruits are $4.75 each. That's about £2. All kinds of different fruits. Isn't it wonderful? And lychees, I do like. Oh, there's a longan. And then mushrooms. Longan means dragon eye. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? Oh, I wonder what that is. Fresh black fungus. So there's all sorts of lovely fruits, and then you see fruits there as well. Vast numbers of fruits. And then there's jackfruit, there's dragon fruit, and then there's all kinds. Isn't that impressive? Very impressive. And then there's more over here as well. These are all the kind of standard ones. These are all the standard fruits, you know, all these bog standard things you get in Britain. You know, but then you've got all these ones. You see, there you are. There's, you know, these would be under a very specialist section in Tesco's, wouldn't they? These are, what do they call? Oh, dragon fruits. That's it. Actually, those other ones weren't dragon fruits. Never mind. Those custard fruits or something. But these are $1.70 each. And $1.70 is about 90p. 90p each. So they're like apples, price-wise. You know, and then we've got all these ones. What are these ones? Oh, these are lemons. So the lovely thing about tropical environments is, fruit-wise, you get a lot of variety. Don't you? You get a lot of variety. And they're very healthy fruits. They've got lots of fibre. Some people whine on about they're having too much sugar. But I mean, you can't have anything these days, can you? You know, you have fruits, you're having too much sugar. You have vegetables, there's too much carbohydrate. You know, you have this, you might as well just not eat anything, and then you just die anyway. That's interesting. Apple mango. Lots of interesting things. Oh, a star fruit. There's star fruits. And the star fruits are $2.20 per pack. So that is going to be about 50p per star fruit. Not bad. Of course, bananas. And did you know that when bananas first appeared in Britain, I think it was in, in great amounts in the 50s or something like that, some people were actually afraid of them. They had banana phobia. Maybe, I don't know why. Maybe they look like penises or like great big hands trying to grab people. But some people had panic attacks when they saw bananas. So there you go. Now these ones, they look rather like furry testicles, but these ones are rambutans, which are very nice. They're from a rambutan tree, obviously. And here we have mangosteens. And in Asia, there's a belief that there are foods that are kind of yang, which are masculine, which have a lot of heat, and then there are foods which are feminine, yin or cool. And if you have a lot of food with a lot of heat, like durian, then you should eat lots of these mangosteens because they've got lots of yin, and then you like counteract it and then you don't get ill. But you see, if you get imbalance, that's a big problem. And these are pomelos, which are often offered to deities. I think that's what that little character means. They're offered to deities. They don't... Oh dear, someone's banging me. They don't taste that nice. But, you know, it's quite interesting, isn't it? So now we're on to the... What are we doing? Oh yeah, now we're in the boring vegetable section. So all these bog standard vegetables, we're not interested in those. So there's a tour of the fruit stall in Singapore, which I thought would be very interesting. And I'll finish artistically by focusing on the Oreos. There we go. Bye-bye.